Somalia, no government, no safety, no police, no...
I open my TikTok and this is the first thing I see. Masaan baa la soo istaagteen. Chest out, xabadkiina sas u taagan. Waaba isla fiican tihiinbo. Somalis for Trump kulahaa. Somalinimadiina soo dhiiba. Somali maa tihiin. Y'all are not Somali. Don't claim us. Ma isnaqaano. We don't know y'all. We're gonna pass y'all over to folks. We don't want y'all. We are done. You're done. You're done. What did that guy say? Dilla 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 dilla. Somali maha. Who is not Somali? Don't claim us. Oh my God. Allah Saint Clouda. Wana Ebeisen. Y'all embarrassed us. The level of jahilnimo. It's not even jahilnimo. Cause y'all know. Y'all know ninkani naibihay. Mr. What ilodin? Are y'all okay in the head? Somalis for Trump? Are you guys serious? Are you guys serious? We're gonna be anything in 2024. Be for real. Please. Please. 22 yeah. Nigga daf. After nigga die. Okay? We're not like that. We don't get down like that. No, nigga die. I just have one question. What are you guys getting? Like, no, there has to be some sort of compensation in this. No shag. How much are they paying y'all? What they offer y'all? No shag, no. No shag.